Okay, guys, all world news here, eye of the hand. We've had some new earthquakes. Well, number one, 3 hours ago, Rio Dell, California, 4.03 earthquake. Not nice, not nice. 8 hours ago was a 5.7 in Peru. We had a 5.2 2 hours ago, Japan, west of India. And then west of India, Japan, or whatever the hell that is, 29 minutes ago, magnitude 4.4. We had 4 hours ago, 4.8, 4.3 2 hours ago in north of Del, East Timor. We had a 4.7 Sibolga, Indonesia, 9 hours ago. We had 5.1 northern Sumatra, Indonesia, 9 hours ago. So they're all going up to the fives. 5.7, which is Peru, 8 hours ago, magnitude 5.7. Okay. So that was almost a 6. It's almost a 4.5. Oh, fucking bullshit. I just did this. Anyways, guys, it's they're all going up into the fives and upper fives, close to the sixes now. So you can bet your bottom dollar they're going to be getting hit harder. Remember, they just had a 6.8